Hey guys, Lady Steam here, ready to show you what is in the very first box of making volume 2. So we've titled this box Secrets because it has a secret box in it. And we're going to open it up and take a look now. So we've got a thank you letter in here. If you were a previous subscriber, you know we used to have the coupon code in here and a pointer to the video. The video link is actually in the packaging, so you don't need to worry about that anymore. So we've got a description and a thank you letter. We really, really, really do appreciate you. But as always, we have so many cool things in this package. And I'm going to leave the project for last, but as always, pin test wood, glue, sandpaper, a set of spare screws, and 3, count them, 3 of the Krylon paint pins. We love these. We use them for everything. If you want this box to be metallic and metal looking, these pins are for you. And last but not least, our project for this box. Now, there are 4 pieces in the bottom of the box. Be careful with them. There's a ring that's fairly thin here, so be a little careful with it. And then, of course, your bag with all the rest of the project parts in it itself. And you'll be able to take a look at the separate video with a link on the packaging for how to build that box. So thank you for coming back to the Box of Making. Thank you for joining us at the Box of Making. We're really glad you're here.